Well, hello, my algebra students. This is the last week of this class. Now, I've already figured out your quarter grades. Usually the last week, teachers pile on tests and projects, and I thought I'd give you a little break since we've already had a lot of points. There's one person that didn't get credit for the last test because they didn't turn it in or they had trouble with the internet or whatever. They have a 0 for their test. That person, just email me and we'll work something out. Of course, you can't get full credit, but it could really help your grade. But anyways, so we're working on fractions, and then the last thing we'll be doing this week, probably tomorrow or Thursday we'll start it, is solving. So we did a really good year with all the interrupted, very good year. So the first thing, what's the LCD? For you and me. Now, x and 3 are both unique, so you need both of them. X doesn't go into 3, 3 doesn't go in x. So what do you multiply x by to get 3x? Well, that's 3. What do you multiply 3 by to get 3x? X. So now we add the tops, and I'm going to rearrange it, but you keep the bottoms. Yay! Now this one, a lot of people get this wrong because they'll see this x and this x. Oh, they must be the same. The x's are the same, but the terms are different. It's like saying a cookie and a pie is the same thing because they both have sugar in it. But they're not the same. They both have a common ingredient, but the overall thing is different. So the LCD would be x and x plus 2. Okay, so what's this missing? X plus 2, so you multiply that to the top. What's this one missing? Well, it's missing the x, so you multiply 3 to the x. Then you combine the tops. 4x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now the next two, I want you to freeze the video and try these two. If you get stuck, that's okay. And then come back on, turn me back on, and then watch me do it. Okay, hey, the LCD, let's see. What number does 4 go in? Now you could do it this way. There's 2 2s in 4, 2 and 3. So you need highest powers, 2 of them. And you need the 3. The most it occurs is once. So it's 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, so you distribute the 3 to the top because you got to do it to the top and the bottom. Here you multiply by 2, so it would be 2x minus 6. So now it's 3x minus 2x is x. 3 minus a minus 6 would be 3 plus 6 is 9, all over 12. And you can't reduce anything unless it goes into both terms. You can reduce with 9, but not with the x. So this one, what do you think the LCD is? Well, it's x plus 2 times x plus 3. Lot of writing with these problems. Lot of writing. So what's this missing? X plus 3, so you got to multiply x plus 3 to the top. That'd be 5x plus 15. What's this one missing? X plus 2, so you got to multiply the x plus 2 times 3. It's 3x plus 6. You got to distribute. Then you combine. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Plus 15 plus 6 is 21. Over x plus 2. X plus 3. So this one, the first thing we need to do is factor, so we can see what's in common. So it's a difference of squares. So we have 1x plus 2, 1x plus 2, so you need x plus 2. We have 1x minus 2, don't have an x minus 2, so you need the x minus 2. And again, a lot of writing. Ooh. So this one has both terms, so you just put 6 This one's missing x minus 2, so you got to multiply to the top and the bottom. Distribute the 2, it's 2x minus 4. So this would be 2x plus 2, plus 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. X plus 2, x minus 2. Now we could factor out a 2. That would be 2x plus 1, but that wouldn't cancel with anything, so you just leave it. See if you can do this one right now. Freeze it and then try it. Okay, so this would be x plus 3, x plus 1. So what's the LCD? X plus 3, because they both have it, and x plus 1. Let's bring this over here, easier to see. Mercy. I'm wearing out my hand. I'll have to take a nap. So this one already has both bottom denominators. This one's missing x plus 1. So you got to multiply to the top. Distribute it. 3 times x plus 1, 3x plus 3. So this would be 3x plus 8. Add the 5 and the 3 together. It'd be x plus 3, x plus 1. Now, I have a really tricky one I want you to try, and that's all I asked for today. No homework. So try this one right now and then turn me back on. Okay, so we factor this. It's x plus 3, x plus 1. And this is x plus 3, x minus 3. So the LCD is x plus 3. They both have it. This one has x plus 1. This one doesn't, so I need one of them. And this one has x minus 3. This one doesn't, so I need x minus 3. Holy cheese in a bucket. And I'm writing this very sloppily. Let's do this. There, this is better. Okay, this one's missing x minus 3, so multiply to the 1. This one's missing x plus 1, so I multiply it to the 1. So x plus x is 2x. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Over, holy cheese, x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 3. Now, we could factor a 2 out and see if anything cancels, because there's a 2 common to both, but nothing cancels, so we leave it alone. Now, if you got this one right, I'm impressed. In fact, if you want to send me an email and say, hey, Mr. Murphy, I got this one right, I would be very impressed. Nice job. We'll work more tomorrow. Have a good day.